Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I've made a few recipes with horse gram and today I'm going to share another wonderful horse gram recipe. We're going to make this very tasty horse gram podi. Now this can be enjoyed with idlis, dosas and even rice. So let's get started and check it out. So for this recipe I've taken 1 cup of horse gram measured using a 250 ml cup. Heat a pan and add the horse gram. Keep the flame on low and dry roast it patiently. You'll know it's ready when it turns to a nice even reddish brown color and it releases a nice warm and nutty aroma. This step is super important. Roasting is the key to unlock the deep flavors in the podi. Once roasted, transfer it to the plate and cool it completely. Next, in the same pan, add a 1/4 cup of Urad Dal and 1 tablespoon of Chana Dal. Roast them together on low heat until they turn golden. Once done, transfer them to the same plate as the horse gram. Now it's time to spice things up. Add 4 Guntur Red Chillis and 4 Kashmiri Red Chillis to the pan. The Guntur Red Chillis bring the heat while the Kashmiri Chillis add that beautiful vibrant color. Roast them until they become crisp. Once roasted, set them aside to cool down. Finish the roasting step. Toss in 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 2 small pieces of tamarind for a mild tang and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Roast everything for just 2 to 3 minutes. The tamarind is optional but it gives a lovely touch of sourness. Once roasted, remove them from the heat and cool it completely. In a mixer jar, add the roasted chilies, grind it and then add in the roasted horse gram, Urad Dal and Chana Dal. Add 1 teaspoon of rock salt and 1 teaspoon of Asafoetida Powder for that extra punch of flavor. Grind it all into a nice coarse powder. Finally, add the roasted garlic, tamarind and cumin seeds and give it one last grind until it's all well mixed. And that's it. This flavorful horse gram podi is ready. Make sure to cool it completely before transferring to an airtight container. Now this podi stays fresh for weeks and makes every meal special. This flavor-packed horse gram podi is a perfect companion for idli, dosa and even hot steamed rice. Now I'm going to enjoy it with some nice hot steaming idlis, and the best way to do it is add a generous amount of gingerly oil onto the horse gram podi, mix it nicely and dip into it. Well, it's time to taste now. Wow, the flavors are just so incredible. I can get that nice roasted horse gram flavor. And with that gingerly oil and that nice idli, soft idlis, it's just perfect. Well, the flavors are all perfectly balanced, and if you do like it a bit spicy, you can add some extra red chillis while making this podi. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.